Cell's DNA repair mechanism. Photoreactivation. Some cells, such as the bacterium E. coli, contain light-dependent enzymes that can remove or correct damaged DNA. Excision is a four-step process. One strand is broken by an enzyme called UV endonuclease. A DNA polymerase removes the nucleotides near the cut, including the damaged area. A DNA polymerase replaces the nucleotides with the correct ones working from the uncut complementary strand, and an enzyme called polynucleotide ligase seals the break. Mismatch repair. Bases that aren't paired with their proper counterparts can also be repaired using excision. And then there's the SOS repair, which breaks in DNA strand, can sometimes simply be sealed without any regard for the original sequence. This is seen in cases of extreme DNA damage. While this may allow the cell containing the damaged DNA to survive, it greatly increases the possibility that the cell will contain one or more mutations. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.